During the question hour of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 11th November 2020, Power Minister James Sangma ruled out the waivering of consumers' electricity bill during the lockdown period. However, he informed that the government has waived off delayed payment charges or DPC during the said period. While replying to a question by MLA from Maulai PT Saukme, the Power Minister said that the Asian Development Bank had earlier approved of a project for introduction of smart meters for all consumers. On being questioned by Umroi MLA George B. Lingdo about huge electricity bills due to non-functioning of meters and on bargaining on such bills, James Sangma in his reply stated that there is no question about bargaining on bills as the tariff is set by the MSERC, which is a regulatory body of the MECL. Congress MLA Ampreen Lingdo raised a question to the payment of electricity bills after the introduction of smart meters. To this, Power Minister James Sangma replied that such bills could be paid remotely.